Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to run a Raz or enter a Raz. We got a lot of new people in the group and figured it'd be beneficial. So what I've done here is I've gone to one of the last ones that's been completed. Jerry ran this. I ran this for Jerry. He's got a bobblehead here that is worth about 150 bucks. He could sell it outright for that price, or he can run a Raz and get 15 people in at $10 a spot. And so when you run a Raz, there will be a list for 15 spots. And I'll show you here that it'll run, he'll number it 1 through 15. So if you're interested in getting in, you comment below what spot you want to take. Once you're in for that spot, you're locked in. Once that is full, once all 15 spots are taken, the Razzer will post his payment information. So you can either pay through, most of the time it's through PayPal, you can pay through Google Wallet for certain sellers, through Facebook Messenger. The Razzer will post the methods of payment. Once everybody has paid, that is when the randomizer video will run. That'll be run by a third party who's not in the Raz itself. There is a video team that will run them. I'll run them if I'm not in them. And that is done through a website called random.org. I'll click on the verification code. This is a verification code that certifies the order. Once the verification is run, the video guy will run 2 dice. In this case, the dice count was 11, so this was run 11 times. On the 11th roll, it was determined that Chris was the winner. And at the same time that happened, the video recorder also runs. And so there's a video of the Raz that is going on at the same time to determine the winner. Once the winner's been determined, that person will get in contact with the seller and collect their prize. If anybody has any questions, it is laid out on the pinned post of the group, which can be found right here. It kind of lays out the parameters for Razes for people getting in them and people that want to run them. So if anybody else has any questions, feel free. I'll post a link to this video in the group rules. And like I said, if anybody's got any additional questions, feel free to PM me.